Hey YouTube, Mickey. Still a vid. I want to test out my my cooking system, but boiling water on coal, on basically wood. So not a flame, but an actual coal, or maybe a smaller flame. But this stove here, it's a pretty good stove. It's designed to fit this cup, a little bit inside the top there, so you can basically grab it and move it around and basically stick it on the hottest part of your fire. So I'm going to get a fire going now. What I'll do, I use one of these blocks to extend the fire. I'll grab some cotton wool. Just because it's fun, I'm going to start it with the fire still. A bit bright, I can't even see if that hexy block's on fire. Oh, no. I've really got to soak these cotton wool balls in Vaso. Oh, that did the trick. Alright, so I'll come back when I've got some wood on there. Alright, so I've got that fire roaring now, so I'm just going to wait until that burns down to a bit of coals, and I'll stick this right on top of it and see how long it takes to get a cup of water to a boil. Alright, so the fire's died down a bit, so I might just place it here, right there. Oh yeah, it doesn't help spill the water. I did fill this up pretty a lot. That's still all over a cup there. Place where it's really hot. I'll leave it there, and I'll time it. So I'm timing it now, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so it's been sitting on the coals for 5.5 minutes, and there is quite a few bubbles now, so it should be boiling pretty shortly, I hope. Obviously it'd help if you have a lid on top of this, and I don't have a lid. I have to make one. Actually, I'm going to stick some aluminium foil in here so I can make an aluminium foil lid for it. So it's wanting the boil, but it's just quite not there. You can hear it. Six minutes, 20 seconds. Alright, so 9 minutes and 20 seconds that took to come to a boil. So, not as quick as I thought it would be. But I didn't have a lot of coals there. I mean, you can see the amount of coals, very skinny branches too. So probably wasn't too much heat, but you know, it's alright. So anyway, that's the cook system I'm rolling with at the moment. Obviously the downfall of this handle is you can't pick it up with your hand because that handle's been exposed to the heat, so that's when the good old multi-tool comes in, good old Leatherman, and pick him up. So there you go.